Yo, what is up guys, it's Trickshot here, and you may notice this is not the Black Ops 3 background. Well, the reason for that is I'm gonna not play Black Ops 3 today, obviously. But this is a little cute game that's called Slime Rancher. And what can I really say about it? It's... how can I describe it? Like, it's basically a farming simulator, but with slimes, and it's a really sweet game. So let's get into this. I have progressed quite a lot because I wanted to like get a bit more into the game before I started to record. Because it's actually quite boring at start. And as you can see, here's my person, I can say. Here's a lamb, and here's like, how did you get out, you little fucker? Hurt me, please. And those things that guy or that slime like spit out, they are called plorts. That's a rad plort and that's a crystal plort. Like, example, here we have many different ones. I haven't unlocked all yet, but I'm not far off. How do you get out? I'm gonna have to get a airnet for you guys. Ouch. Where's the fucking thing? If you dare jump out again. So, that should keep you guys in. I'm tired of that shit. Can I spray this? Oh, I can! I didn't know that. Let's just collect all these. There we go, and we should maybe feed you guys. Here you go, my babies. There we go. Did my eyes just deceive me, or what? I don't know. Let's maybe collect your fucking plorts. Did my eyes deceive me again? What is this shit? I do not understand. Oh my god, it's full of fucking plorts here. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to store this in a fucking silo because it's not like you can sell these plorts for like not money, but they are called new bucks. I don't know why, but they're called new bucks, and like they are like market prices, like they go up and down and all of that shit, you know. Let's just shoot this. And this is not my like what call it, like starting area. You actually start over here because here's like your house and shit. I'm gonna have to store these. Here we go. Do I have a full? Almost. But this is a game I am I am gonna do in the future, because this is just a really sweet game. It's one of my favorite games. I can sit here play this the whole fucking day. There's no problem. Let's see the prices. Shit in hell, that's low. What's the honey? When I started like selling these and these and these, they were like up in like around 100. And since I sold them so much for a long time, look at the prices now. They're like, that's just. So you have to pay attention to that. And here's like my drills, so I can get some different resources. Look, here's my they are honey hunters. Look at these sweeties. I love them. They're one of my favorites. And yes, there is an end game to this. If you like an end game, like you can get to the end, like finish, like, because this is like a story mode, if you can call it that. Run. Let's give you guys some carrots. And how did you get in here, you little shit? Get in there. I have so many plots to collect here. I'm gonna have to build another silo. So I have so many, and I don't wanna begin selling them now, because that is not gonna be profitable. Not for me, at least. Not at all. What did I just get? Oh, completely fill a fully upgraded site. Why did I just shoot that shit? I'm gonna have to build another silo here. But where? Oh, I know where I can build them. Are you fuckers teleport? You fuckers are ghosting again. Don't do that. I don't like you. I don't like when you do that. Build. Fuck, I don't have enough. Dude, don't I have 3? Yeah, I have. Fuck yeah. So right now I'm just like collecting food and just feeding them to get as many parts as possible, so I can like sell them when the prices are high. Because these are like the most profitable over time, I think. Let's see if I get anything. Nope. Why isn't this like giving us food then? Do they not like it? Let me see again. Rads, veggies, yeah, they do. You guys are having food. I'm gonna have to bring you some mint mangoes. There we go. That's full. That's not full. Ah, one off. Fuck. Just. Is this gonna like calm me down? I don't know. Let's just check what's up high now. Look, they're just fucking going down all the time. I like that. Oh, the boom plots and the puddle slimes are good right now. Let's go look at my puddles, or my puddle slimes as they're called. Oh, let's not fall off. Give me that. Give me that. No, I didn't want to take you. Fucking hell. Give me some more water. That's probably it. Where does this bring me again? Yeah, that's where it brings me. But I don't need to go there right now. I have so many fucking chickens here. Give me that money. Well, that was much. But what's highest right now out of all these? It's those, but I don't want to start selling them. They're still too low. And now, like, let's see if I can go build something over here in the lab. Oh wait, how's the drill going? How much time? Oh, it's nearly done. Let's see what is it. Oh, I can do this. Let's just fucking do it. I don't care. I have so much shit that it doesn't matter. Give me one. Give me. No. That was wrong. Give me 3. There we go. Yeah. No, wait, it's tabby slimes. Tabby pods. I don't have those. Fuck it. Here we go. You are done, and now you are gonna explode into bits. Bye bye. Oh, I hate that guy anyway. Nah, I'm just kidding. So this is basically what you do, and you like go and explore things, and you can like open big slime doors with like slime keys and all that, and you can get to like new places and explore. And I have gotten quite far. Oh, I still haven't gotten deeper on the hexagon. I want that shit. What's this shit? Let's see if there's anything here I want. What's the I don't understand. What's the difference of these two? I don't understand. want some more of these. I need a lot of pink and rock. I have rads here. I'm just gonna fill it up a lot, like rads here. Get over here. Give it back. No, I'm not giving it back. I'm just fucking with you. I think I'm gonna have to get like pink rocks here and just make them just so I can get my shit. Because I need my shit, alright. I'm gonna have to go find some pinks and some rocks. I'm gonna find one rock and just a lot of pinks. I don't need you guys in my life. I don't need you guys in my life. That should be enough. 5. And then I need 1 rock. I need 1 rock. That just sounds so dumb. Yeah. I need 1 rock. Get over here, rock. Yeah, that's it, bitches. I'm gonna have to sell some plots just to get money to build the fucking coral that they're gonna be in. You know what? I can just fuck this guy up and just bye and fuck you. He eat this? Can you eat this? No, okay. You don't eat that. No, wait, what do you eat again? You eat, oh yeah, you eat veggies for fuck's sake. Come here. Eat this. Thank you. Give me that shit. Eat. Eat it. Finally, you did something right. For once. Nah. I'm just kidding. Come here. Eat this. Good boy. Now you should eat that. Now you should eat that. Eat it. Eat it, you fucker. Good boy. You're just a good boy right now. No, don't hit me. Please don't hit me. It's okay for now. And I'm gonna have to get you a lot of food. You eat everything, what I think you do. Where do I have food? Pinks eat everything, so I can just take whatever I want. Even from chickens to them. that bad. I don't want to use a blood motherfucking chicken. It's not good. Let's fucking feeder. Here's the feeder. Now you guys can just fucking do whatever you want in here. Have a gangbang or... just kidding. I don't know if they can have a gangbang. I don't know if they have like the TD and the, you know. I think I'm gonna fucking shut up, okay? And stop talking about this shit. So anything that's not full, right? You with one, little bitch. Some honeys? Nope. Then I have to go in here. I want a new jetpack. I think I get another jetpack. I just want to. Here we go. How did you get out, you little bitch? You guys just get out all the time, huh? Give me your quantum plots. When are these gonna start growing? If you guys have eaten all of them, I'm gonna fucking kill you all. I'm gonna be so fucking mad at you. I'm just gonna sell some of these hunters. Just to get a bit of money so I can upgrade my next silo. Just to house my quantum plots, maybe. Or I don't know what to do. Have I gotten the star mail? Nope. Can I buy something? Nope. Super in morning? Nope. I'm just kidding. I'm just fucking with you. There we go. What did you say there? Oh, okay. Nothing. Let's check out. Nothing. Are all of you guys like? Yeah, I think so. Give me all of your shit. It's just to say it like this, it's more like I'm actually more like just collecting their shit right now. Because this is like what they get when they eat something. So I'm personally just collecting their shit. Tasty. Still can make anything. Oh. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I haven't got so much done, but that's since I'm so far into the game, and I just have to go exploring, and I'm gonna do that another day. But anyways, this has been Slimemonster. You should go check it out on Steam. It's a sweet little game for you. But anyways, please like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed, and as always, stay awesome.